Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Danish puff pastry, full guide. Begin by chilling all ingredients, cut butter into cold cubes, combine briefly with flour, rest dough, then perform 6 to 8 folds, chilling between turns to build flaky layers. Use a sharp scraper to handle dough, roll gently to maintain layers, bake at high temperature until golden and puffy, and cool slightly before filling or serving. Start with a firm, cool butter block and a pliable dough that's cold but not brittle. Roll to a rectangle, then perform a 3-fold or 4-fold depending on your desired layers. Rotate the dough and maintain consistent thickness while folding. Resting between folds prevents butter from smearing and creates distinct laminated layers. Aim for 6 to 8 total turns for classic puff, and always chill until firm before final shaping. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Trees Black Ice for a clean, cool scent that makes driving to bake feel even better. I put the product link and other deals in the description for you to explore. Now let's get back to the video. Keep your shaping simple for consistent results. Cut squares, triangles, or rounds and chill them briefly to firm the layers before baking. Egg wash just before oven entry for a glossy finish, and consider a shallow steam source if you want extra lift. Watch ovens closely, since puff pastry browns quickly. Rotate pans for even color. Let pastries cool slightly before filling to avoid soggy centers and melted fillings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.